Okay guys, just taking a quick video of me updating my 2017 F55 Mini Cooper. It seemed pretty simple. I just logged on to the Mini Connectivity website, put in my VIN, got my bin file, put it on a thumbstick, put the car in accessory mode, popped it in, and went to software update. And this update only took, it took under a minute, but just reading the instructions here. Software update successful. Switch off engine when stationary and wait until the control unit turns off. So I'm just going to switch it off. Seems like it's doing a few things with the heads-up display. So I think my version was around 56. There's a couple numbers before that, but this version I installed off of Mini's website is version 62. So now I'm going to try to start it. Oh, that's definitely a new startup window. I didn't have that before. This always pops up. Okay. I don't know what other features it probably has installed, but I'll take a closer look and maybe provide you guys an update later on. Alright, thanks.